you do that?
Took me a long time. Taking this one like 10 minutes. Start walking.
I'm not walking.
No, you came out with a shotgun in your hand.
Go, little piggy, go. Better hurry up before the next one comes. You can do it. You can do it. Yep, going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Can't go back in, sorry. Just gonna take a little break.
You're just sucking on her armpits. There ain't no teeth that far north.
Does that thing just break off?
I had to cut the last one.
I think we might have to cut that one too.